A viral message circulating on social media with regards to COVID-19 claims that Singapore doctors have found that WHO has hatched a conspiracy to mislead people about the disease and its treatment. The message further claims that Singapore's health ministry has finally found a treatment procedure for the virus. The viral message further goes on to claim that coronavirus is not a virus but a bacteria and antibiotics can cure COVID-19. It also says that a major cause of death in COVID-19 is thrombosis or blood clot, and intensive care units and ventilators are never really needed to treat COVID-19. We found that Singapore Health Ministry clarified through its official Facebook page that the country has not performed an autopsy on any COVID-19 patient and the claims made in the post are scientifically baseless. Fact Crescendo contacted Dr. Hira, director of LNJP Hospital, Delhi, who clarified that COVID-19 is not a bacteria but a virus. The genetics of the virus is available online on several authorized websites. WHO has clarified the myth that COVID-19 is caused by a virus and not a bacteria on their Mythbusters as well. Dr. Hira also clarified that there is no role of antibiotics in treating the novel coronavirus, but these antibiotics are administered to resist the secondary or collateral infections, if any. According to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare of India, antibiotics do not work against viruses. They only work on bacterial infections. Antibiotics should not be used as a means of prevention or treatment of COVID-19. They should only be used as directed by a physician to treat the bacterial infection. We could not find any rule or guidelines issued by WHO which mentions that COVID-19 patients are not supposed to be autopsied. Dr. Hira says that there is no specific research or studies conducted to prove that thrombosis is a major cause of death among COVID-19 patients in India. According to Dr. Hira, COVID-19 patients with critical respiratory illness, multi-organ or renal failure are often treated in ICU with ventilators. Conclusively, Fact Crescendo has found the above-mentioned claim to be false, baseless, and has no credibility. The Singapore Health Ministry has clarified that there is no such message given or issued by them. If you find any unverified or doubtful content on social media, you can share it on Fact Crescendo's WhatsApp fact line number.